Hi everyone, this is your Pradeep Chaudhary. Today I would like to explain about prepositions. So, prepositions means shows the relationship of a noun or pronoun to another word. Shows the relationship of a noun or pronoun to another word. And if you see here preposition short, this is talking about showing time and how it's used and examples. So first one, at. So coming to usage of at, it is talking about the time and showing about the time. So exact times at 3 p.m., meal times at dinner, parts of the day at sundown, age at age 21. Next one is by, a limit in time by sundown, in the sense of at the latest, by the due date. I and in, seasons, in the summer, in the winter, in the autumn season, in the spring season, months, in November, in December, in January, in February, years, in 1992, in 2000, in 2019, durations, in the same year, after a certain period of time, in an hour. Next one is on, days of the week, on Wednesday, on Monday, on Sunday, parts of the day, where the day is named, on Friday night, on Saturday night, on Sunday night, dates, on December 4th, on June 8th, on June 11th, ago, a certain time in the past, 2 years ago, 3 years ago, 5 years ago, 10 years ago, after, a point in time that follows another point in a time, after the game, after the surgery, after the breakfast, after the lunch, after interval, before, a point in time that precedes another point in time, before leaving, before breakfast, before 2004, before 2019, before lunch, during, something that will happen in a specific period of time, during the night, during the war, during the corona time, during the lunch time, for, over a certain period in the, for 2 years, for 3 years, for 5 years. Past, telling the time, 10 past 6, 10 past 8, 10 past 9, since, from a certain period of time, since 1980, since the accident, since Monday, since January, throughout, something that happened, will happen continuously in a specific period of time, throughout the year, throughout the ordeal. 2. Telling time, 10 to 6, from an earlier time to a later time, 1 p.m. to 3 p.m. until, up to a certain point in time, until the end, until sunrise. How long something is going to last, up to, from an earlier point to a later point, up to now. Next one, showing place. Some prepositions are showing the place. At, an object settled position or position after it has removed. At the airport, at the ceremony. Meeting place or location, at home, at the desk. Point of direction, turning at the intersection. A target, throwing the snowball at Lucy. By, close to, by the school. Alongside of, by the window. In an enclosed space, in the garage, in an envelope, in a geographic location, in San Diego, in Texas, in a print medium, in a book, in a magazine. On, for a certain side on the left, for a river lake, London lies on the Thames. For a floor in a house, on the floor. For public transport, on a bus, on a car, on a train. For television, radio, on the air, on TV. About, around or outside of, about town. It but not exactly on, about 5 feet tall, about 10 feet tall. Related to, about my father's business. Above, suspended higher than something else. Above the door. Superior to, above me in rank. After, pursuit, chasing after the robbers. A point further from an earlier point. The corner after the big house. Against, leaning on, against the door. Opposite to or facing, against the wall. Along, tracing the length of without emphasis on the ends. Along the hallway, along the river. Among, in the company, 3 or more, among friends, in a crowd, among the masses, the end of a long list, among the things. Around, location of something, drive around the block, explaining a period of time, around 3 o'clock. Before, in the front in terms of space, before the emperor, before God. Behind, on the back side of a point in a space, behind the car, behind her smile. Below, something lower than or underneath something else. Below the states, below expectations. From, in the sense of where from. A flower from the garden. Into, enter a room, building, going to the kitchen, house, onto, movement to the top of something, jump onto the table, over, covered by something else, put a jacket over your shirt, more than, over 16 years ago, getting to the other side, walk over the bridge, overcoming an obstacle, climb over the wall, through, something with limits on top, bottom and the sides, drive through the tunnel, towards, movement in the direction of something but not directly to it, go 5 steps towards the house. Other important prepositions. About, for topics meaning what about. We were talking about you. At, for age. She learned Russian at 45. By, who made it? A book by Mark Twain. Rise or fall of something. Prices have risen by 10%. Traveling, other than walking or horse riding, by car, by bus. From, who gave it? A present from June. In, entering a car, taxi, get in the car. Of, who, what, did it belong to? A page of the book. Of, leaving a public transport vehicle, get off the train. On, walking or riding on the horseback, on foot, on horseback. Entering a public transport vehicle, get on the bus. Out of, leaving a car, taxi, get out of the taxi.